life is definitely tastier. Mayong adlaw sa inyo tanan mga kabangbang mula Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kamusta na kamo? And subong sa ating vlog, hindi po tayo nag-iisa kasi kasama natin ang Holiday CARNE Norte. Yes! And of course, together with me is my production team. Again, challenge ko sila to prepare a food for us. Something innovative could never have you seen in your dining table? Never have been ever eaten by anybody else. Ayan! So, hindi ko na pagpadugayon pa kay nakulbaan ako. Kaya gin-challenge ko sila. Gin-challenge nila ako. I have to eat whatever they have prepared. Isunod din nila sa my mystery bags natin in different sizes. Merong free taste, merong a la carte, at merong for sharing. If ever I get to choose the for sharing, I have to finish everything. But then, I trust my production team. Thank you so much. Alam mo, magaling silang magluto. Ako lang naman yung hindi nagluluto dito. Pero, basta kainan ng labanan, talong-talo sila. Let's begin with round 1. Okay, can I open my eyes na? Oh, I have to choose first. Okay, I choose the center one. Okay na, pwede na? Alright. Okay, gusto ko yung center mo. Okay. Ooh! They prepared a pizza! What's... Iba din. Iba talaga pag nanay mo nag-prepare. Basta mga mommies. Tinago yung carrots. Pero, tanglawin tayo. Yung mga bata na hindi kumakain ng veggies. This is such a wonderful idea. Nakatago sa likod ng Holiday CARNE Norte yung carrots. Sarap! Wow! Look at that! I'll show you this one. Ang galing nyo! After this, can I ask for more? Especially now that we are in a pandemic, very important talaga na haluan natin ng veggies. Ako hindi ko fan ng carrot, but namamask ng CARNE Norte. Yung flavor ng carrot. Kaya hindi ko siya napapansin na may carrot siya. Mukhang i-enjoy ako Kaya yung second na meal for me. Yun ako sa pizza. Okay, pwede na. I can open my eyes na. I choose pala. Center pa din. Center. Alright. Ooh! Is this a soup? Oh, hindi! Look, this is one of my favorite gulay! Ako lang hindi ako mag-spoon. Okay lang yun. In fairness. Usually when you cook squash, they pair it with shrimp. And ako, allergic kasi ako sa seafood, especially if it's not fresh. Unless it's fresh, then I eat. Ayos! Holiday CARNE Norte is best alternative for those who have allergies sa seafood if you want to have that thing as your meal. I'm ready for round 3! Okay, mukhang kinakabahan ako. Bakit nagbigay sila sa akin ng spoon? I also want to choose number 2 again, pero I'll go for 3. So that's my favorite number. Ready na mo? Ready na mo? Bang-bang na ako. Ready na. Gusto ko na mag-open eyes. Pwede mo lang tawanan. Kanami! What's this? Ice cream? Seriously? Oh. CARNE Norte cheesecake with cucumber. Glutamate. In fairness, sino mag-isip nila? Ang galing mo Maganda yung tamis. ng ice cream, then there's texture in your tongue dahil sa CARNE NORTE. I'm loving it. So there you go mga kabangbang. Thank you so much for joining me in this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you do, please click the like and share our video. Comment down below if you have some interesting recipes with our holiday CARNE NORTE. Please share it with us, and of course share our video para malaman din natin mga kababayan paano pwede natin gawing recipes sa ating holiday CARNE NORTE. And for those who are new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll get notified to our next video. That ends our vlog with holiday CARNE NORTE.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!